Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Easy English channel. We are so happy to have you here today. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. I'm feeling really excited today. How about you?
I'm doing great, Paul. I'm happy because today we are talking about a very important topic. It's something we use every single day in almost every conversation.
Oh, let me guess. Is it about food? Or maybe the weather?
No, not today, Paul, though those are important too. Today, we are going to talk about feelings and emotions.
Feelings. That is a very important topic. When we learn a new language, we don't just want to say hello and goodbye. We need to tell people how we feel inside.
Exactly. It helps us connect with others and make real friends. But before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel if you want to improve your English with us every week.
Yes, click the like button and share this with your friends. Let's help everyone speak English with confidence.
Okay, let's start with the most basic question. Paul, when I see you in the morning, what do I usually ask you?
You usually ask, "How are you?" or "How are you feeling today?"
Right. And most people always say, I am fine, thank you. It's like a robot response.
Yes, "I am fine" is very common, but fine is a bit boring, isn't it? It doesn't tell me much about your day.
It is. There are so many other colorful words we can use. If you are having a very good day, what can you say instead of just fine?
Well, if I'm having a great morning, I can say, "I am happy," "I'm doing great," or even, "I am wonderful."
Those are excellent words. Wonderful is much stronger than fine. Listeners, try saying them after me. Happy, great, wonderful.
I like the word wonderful. It sounds very positive. For example, I feel wonderful because the sun is shining today.
Perfect. But Paul, let's be honest. Life isn't always perfect. What if I am not having a good day?
That happens to everyone. If you feel a little bit down, you can say, "I am sad." Or if you are not happy about a situation, you can say, "I am angry."
Angry is a strong word.
For example, "I am angry because there is too much traffic." Or "I am angry because I lost my keys again."
Those are frustrating situations. We use because to give a reason for our feeling. It makes our English sound more natural. I am sad because I failed my test.
That's a good tip. Now, what about when we have too much work at the office or we didn't sleep well last night?
Oh, I know that feeling very well. We say, I am tired. If you really, really need to sleep right now, you can say, I am sleepy.
I feel tired every Monday morning. And if I worked for 12 hours, I might even say I am exhausted. That means very, very tired.
That's a great advanced word. Exhausted. Now, what about when we are waiting for something big, like a birthday, a vacation, or a new movie?
Then you can use your favorite word from earlier. I'm excited. It means you are very happy and looking forward to something in the future.
I am excited about our podcast today. Now, Paul, let's talk about some quiet feelings. Sometimes I don't feel super happy or very sad. I just feel at peace.
You mean relaxed. Relaxed is a great word. I feel relaxed when I listen to soft music, drink a cup of tea, or when I'm sitting at the beach.
Me too. It's a very calm feeling, but sometimes the opposite happens. When I have a big test, a job interview, or when I have to speak in front of many people, I feel nervous.
Nervous is very common for English learners. Many people feel nervous when they try to speak English with a native speaker. Their heart goes fast.
That's true. But don't worry, it's okay to be nervous. It just means you care. Just keep practicing with us and you will feel more confident.
Exactly. Now, Emily, let's look at the grammar for a second. We usually use the verb to be with feelings. I am happy, you are sad, he is tired.
But we can also use the verb feel, right? Is there a big difference?
Not really. You can say I feel happy or I am happy. They're almost the same. Feel focuses a bit more on the emotion in that moment.
Okay, so I am happy and I feel happy are both correct. That's easy to remember. What about making the feeling stronger?
We call that intensity. Sometimes we are not just happy, we are very, very happy.
We can use the words so, very, or really. For example, I am so happy, or I am really tired after that long walk.
And if it's just a little bit, we can say a little or a bit. Like, I'm a bit hungry, or I'm a little nervous about the meeting.
Speaking of hungry, that's a physical feeling. Let's talk about those, hungry and thirsty.
Good idea. If you want to eat a big pizza, you are hungry. If you need to drink cold water, you are thirsty.
I'm always hungry around lunchtime. My stomach actually makes noise.
Me too. And what about when you have nothing to do? You're sitting on the sofa, you've seen every video on YouTube, and there's nothing on TV.
Then you are bored. B-O-R-E-D. I am bored. This is an important one.
It's very important to know the difference between bored and boring. This is a common mistake. If you say, I am boring, it means you are a boring person and people don't want to talk to you.
Oh no, we definitely don't want to say that. We should use ed for our feelings. I am bored. We use ing for the thing that causes the feeling. This book is boring, so I am bored.
Exactly. Or the movie is boring, so I feel bored. Remember, ED is for your inside feeling.
Thanks for the explanation, Paul. That makes it very clear. Let's review the groups of words we learned today.
We have positive feelings, happy, excited, relaxed, wonderful, and great.
And we have negative or difficult feelings, sad, angry, nervous, tired, and bored.
And don't forget the physical feelings, hungry, thirsty, and sleepy.
Paul, I have a question. How do we ask someone about their feelings if they look like they are having a hard time?
That's very kind of you. You can ask, are you okay? Or is everything all right? You can also ask, what's wrong?
What's wrong? That's a good one. If I see you crying or looking upset, I can ask, what's wrong, Emily? Can I help?
And I might say, I'm just a bit sad because I miss my family back home.
And then I can say, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better soon.
Feel better is a lovely phrase. You can say it when someone is sad or even when someone is sick with a cold.
This is so useful for everyday life. I think our listeners can now talk about their emotions in many different situations.
I hope so. Remember, it's okay to have many different feelings. You don't have to be fine all the time. It's what makes us human.
That's very true. Now, Paul, it's time for our question of the day.
Yes, listeners, we really want to hear from you. We want to know, how are you feeling right at this moment?
Tell us in the comments, are you feeling happy, excited to learn, maybe a bit sleepy, and tell us why.
For example, I'm excited because I understood everything in this podcast.
We love reading your stories. It helps you practice your writing and your English grammar at the same time.
Thank you for joining us on the Easy English channel today. You did a wonderful job listening to us.
We'll be back soon with more English tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.